Okay, transponder immobiliser installation onto a old Landrover Defender. If we turn the ignition to the off position, so you finish driving the vehicle, engine started running there, finish driving the vehicle, ignition off, key out. Once the ignition's been switched off and the key's been moved, LED will flash fast like so. All the time the LED's flashing fast, you're able to restart the vehicle, no problem at all, just using the standard Land Rover key. Now, after about 20 seconds or so, the LED slows down to a steady flash, signalling that the system is fully armed. And then it won't start with a standard key, it needs to see a transponder fob as well, which is that little key there. Okay, so there we go, system armed. So I'll put the key in now, turn, crank, this you've got nothing. LED solid when you're trying to start it, won't start, flashing to signal it's armed. Now, by simply having the key fob with you, it starts and runs. So as long as you've got that with you, that little fob there, the immobiliser will deactivate and allow you to use the vehicle. Turn it off, key out, arming cycle commences. Simple. Keep your Land Rover Defender secure. Give us a call if you need any vehicle security advice. All makes and models covered.